Maybe I'll go take a tour of the bay on one of these sometime. Hello, Far and Away fans. So, I'm just heading out today for a ride. I don't really have much of a plan, other than that I'm going north, across the Golden Gate Bridge. Just want to go see what I can see. There are no shortage of beautiful views and beautiful windy roads to ride around here. Let's go find some. We'll have a bit of a voyage of discovery. See what we can see out there. Such a nice day. Got my vents all opened up on my jacket, and there could not be a better day for a ride. Always wanted to do one of these tours. Do a tour of the Bay Area in one of these seaplanes. They're not going anywhere today though. Tide is out, so they are stranded here. I assume I could just walk around here. Nobody's telling me not to. Pretty cool. But yeah, maybe I'll go take a tour of the bay on one of these sometime. See what else is out there. See, that would be a really great road to go up, but it is off limits to bikes and cars and vehicles. So yeah, it's such a pity that there are no roads, dirt roads available for riding on around here at all. Like this would be perfect, but can't get in. Pretty much nothing in the Bay Area at all. There's a few kind of OHV areas dedicated for, areas for dirt bike riding and driving your Jeep around on and stuff. But yeah, just in the Bay Area itself, there's like nothing at all. We're up here by Muir Woods, nice little area or a nice area up in Marin to go walking and whatnot. Hey, look, I'm on dirt. This is about as good as it's going to get around here. never gets old. Especially on a beautiful evening like this. I mean, come on. It's so nice. Sun going down over the city. Golden Gate Bridge. Gorgeous. Okay, fellow far and awayers, hope you enjoyed my little ride up there to Marin Headlands, Muir Woods. Very pleasant little excursion. Thank you again for joining me. If you liked the ride, please give me a thumbs up. Also, do me a favor and hit subscribe. Cool. All right. I'll see you guys next time.